Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Shall we start?
Yes, sir. We'll start.
Done. So I'm sharing my screen. Please confirm.
Yeah. Yes, I can see a screen.
Done. Okay. Actually, actually this because of this delay, maybe
Yes.
maybe you people have asked for the group classes actually. Right now
Yes, sir.
they have not got any what is it students, so that's the reason they have not yet started. Okay. Just now I asked that.
Okay.
They said 1 minute now. Confirmation, but they have not responded yet. Once they
Okay,
have said
sir.
1 minute, maybe they are adding some other person. I don't know. But let's start. Okay, why? Because the other person joins, we'll start
Okay,
in the
sir.
next class. Okay. So let's start now.
Okay, sir. No problem. Yeah.
So let's start with this one. So let me start with this first. I'll close this panel. Right now,
Yeah.
this is what welcome screen we are having. Okay, in the Photoshop.
Yes, sir.
Now under this one, you see the menu. Okay, this one and one new option and open option here. Two options here,
Yes, sir.
new and open.
Yeah.
New document in the sense you can create a new document. Okay, I'll show you what are the categories available in this one, how to take the document and all. I'll explain that one. Second option is open in the
Sure, sir.
sense, previously created document we can open, or else images we can open. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So
Yeah.
let's go with the interface first, then we'll go with the new option here. Okay, before going to the
Okay.
application. Okay, just I'll minimize
Okay.
this. 1 second. Please join. 1 second. Maybe they have send you any link.
Okay.
Just check once.
For me, I didn't get any link. I think they must have sent it to my dad. I'll ask
Okay,
him.
okay, okay,
So. Okay, I got the link. So yeah.
okay. So I'll ask them that I have already shared the link to you. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir. So do you want me to join on that link, sir?
No, no, no. This link only. Why? Because daily I'll be joining with this link only. Why? Because
Okay,
if you
sure.
join with this link, what they will do, they will connect both of us. So for connection, it will take
Okay.
approximately 10 to 15 minutes of time. That will get wasted.
Oh, okay, so
So
sure, sir.
I'll ask. As I already have started the class with my link.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Either.
Done.
Either.
Okay. And
Okay, sir.
from tomorrow onwards, we'll start the class at 9. Okay. We'll end the class at 10. Why? Because I'm having another class at 10. Okay.
No problem. No problem,
Done.
sir.
And another class is around 8 to 9 actually. That was just
Okay.
over. That's the reason I could not respond. I was in other
No
class
problem.
actually. Okay.
No problem, sir.
Yeah. Carry on. Thank you. Done. Let's start. So now this is what interface we are having. Now whenever you see the interface in the initial level, you'll see this one
Yes.
columns. What is it? Tools like this in the single column.
Yes, sir.
Option. This is what option bar. Option bar in the sense properties for the tools. Whatever tools you select, related
Yeah.
to that one, it will show you the properties over here. Okay.
Okay.
On the right side, you'll be having a panels. Panels can be like this. It will be shown like
Okay.
this. The panels. You can compress
Okay,
the
sir.
space also if you want it. Let me
Okay.
see where is the best settings. Property character. Whatever. Second, let me max. So best setting is it. That's the reason it is not doing. But we
Hmm.
can close this brush now. Let's max compress it like this. Okay. Now it will
Okay, sir.
compress and you can expand it also if you want it. So this is the
Okay.
panels we are having. Different panels are used for different purpose. And what content you'll be having in these classes. Okay. Approximately you'll be having around 18 to 20 classes in this one. Okay.
Okay.
With
Okay.
this with the projects also. Okay, 3
Okay,
assignment
sir.
projects you will be getting for each application, and InDesign consists of one or two projects we can say.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now example. First of all, you'll be explaining this all tools first.
Yeah.
Second one, Windows, and this one from action till timeline.
Okay.
One or two panels will be not there in this one. Okay, but other panels from action to timeline, everything will be shown to you.
Okay.
This will
Okay,
be the
sir.
this will be the content for the what do we say, Photoshop, you can say. Okay.
Okay.
Now, as if I
Okay.
told you that three practical assignment we'll see, and tool has separate assignment, and final assignment we'll do it as a project assignment, we can say.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So now second one, like project assignment, which I said, that is one is animation one, 2D animation. Like example, we can do this
Yes, sir.
animation in this example like this. We create this type of animation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in this Photoshop, we can do this. I'll show you this one. Just now we had the class this one. One
So this
advantage.
animation can be done in Photoshop as well, sir.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay. Okay.
Just now I've done this one because now earlier version was not having some options in this one, but they have introduced in 22 version. They have introduced.
Okay,
Just now
sir.
I came to know actually.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You are the first person who will be getting this one. Other person has asked me to show me this one. Just I have tried it once, but it was
Yeah.
working now. So it will be very advantage for us. So easily we can
Yes,
manipulate
sir.
the objects also. Okay, this I'll be explaining.
Yes. Yes.
First one.
Sure. Sure, sir.
Second one, either you can so you can go for what do we say, website designing or brochure designing. Any one option you can take in this one. So my recommend is UI designing will be better. Why? Because brochure designing will cover from the Illustrator.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay,
for
sir.
that reason we can cover UI designing in Photoshop.
Okay.
And
Sure.
third one, matte painting will be shown in this Photoshop. Why? Because matte painting cannot be done in other application. So matte painting and animation can be done in only Photoshop.
Okay,
So
sir.
these
Understood.
three projects you will be getting, and again, for each and every tool you will be having an assignment, which I'll show you that you have to do it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I'll be sharing some of the pictures which I'll be using in the classes. I'll be sharing those pictures also with you. Okay.
Sure. Sure, sir.
Yeah. Let's start now.
Yeah.
Now coming back to this interface, right now these are the panels. Now different panels are there. Okay, we can access different panels. Now what to do for enabling the panel over here now? Right now you can see all the panels are available, but main panel, that is layer panel, is not available here. How to put this
Yeah.
one over here now? Windows, and go to the layers and click this one now. Whichever panel you want to access, just click on that.
Okay.
And which is open one, you can see the tick mark over here now, check mark here.
Yeah.
This
Yes,
check
sir.
mark one is nothing but that is active and which is on display.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll go with this option layer now. Now you can see it came as a floating window. Now we can float anywhere you like it.
Okay, sir.
Now what I want to put this one inside the property beside this as a second
Property.
tab.
Yeah.
What to do? Simply select, drag and drop. When you drag and drop, you see the blue color line over here now.
Yeah.
What happen? It will give you a second column, first column, and this is what second column we can say.
Second column. Yeah.
But I don't want this column. I want to keep this one inside this area. What to
Okay.
do? Select this one and drag and drop inside this one. When you see the blue color box,
Oh,
then
okay.
you release
Understood.
it. Yeah. But if you
Okay.
see the only horizontal line, don't release it.
Okay.
It will come above the properties. Now if I place this
Okay.
like this, when you see the blue color box, then you can release. It will
Yeah.
come as a second tab over here.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Right. So all the panels will be placed like this only, and maximum my tools which I am going to display in two. Why? Because I am more comfortable with the two columns. But if you are comfortable with one, you can keep one. If you are comfortable with
Okay.
two, you can take two options. Okay, that's your
Sure.
choice.
Sure. Yeah.
Now, okay, this is what interface area, and this is what canvas background. Nothing but artboard
Yeah.
background we can say. Okay.
Oh,
Now let's
okay,
go
sir.
back to the home screen again back. So this is what coming to the interface area, and going back to the home, you can click this home button here.
Yeah.
You can go back to the main window here. Now from here, I
Okay,
want
sir.
to take the new document now. So click this new option. Once you
Okay.
click the new option, you get this option here. See, photo, print, art,
Okay.
okay, web, mobile, and films. Now which
Yeah.
category you are working? Example, if I'm working on a web designing, okay, I got a web designing project. Where to go? On the web option.
Okay.
If I got any mobile app project, so I have to go to the mobile platform.
Okay, sir.
Now if I got any printing item in the sense like brochure or banner or poster or
Yeah.
anything which is going for the print purpose. we have to
Okay.
come to the print section. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now last one is films and videos in this one. Films and videos in the sense, now if somebody has created some movie, okay, now
Yeah.
what they have done, they have done the shooting on a green mat and blue mat.
Yeah.
Okay, so that background you are creating for that one means they can remove easily green mat and they can put some background in place of that one. You
Oh,
are
okay.
going to
Okay.
create the background for you for this one based on the quality he's shooting actually. Now you see,
Okay.
nowadays you
So
see
only the existing film, you just create the background for it.
yes. Now example,
Okay,
I'll
sir.
show you example for this one green mat shooting. Whenever the green mat shooting is
Yeah.
done, green mat shooting we can say. Now in the green mat shooting, it will be done with the green mat. Okay, in the movies,
Yeah.
most of the time movies you see, there's so many movies are done in nowadays news channels also they are shooting like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Later
Yes.
they are implementing the background over here now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this kind of effects we can see in this. Now what we are doing, we are making this what's it shooting over here without any plants, trees, and something over here now. But
Right.
they are removing this green color mat and they are introducing some background picture or animated we can say animated what is it scene also sometime. If any
Yes, sir.
animation
Yeah.
is there, then only we go with the 3D option. Otherwise if it is a
Okay.
static one, we go with the Photoshop again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if any movement is there,
Understood.
then we go with the Photoshop. Otherwise there is no movement, we'll take only Photoshop. Okay,
Okay.
all these are VFX shots only. Maximum these are background called as matte painting. This background
Okay,
which we
sir.
create that called as matte painting. That final project which I said matte painting, that is this kind
Yes,
of
sir.
background we can see. Okay, now example you can see this
Oh,
one.
right,
Okay, now
right.
this
Okay.
scenery we can see. This sceneries.
Yes, sir.
So now this is what whenever we do the shooting in this one. So whenever we have any kind of a project like this where you're creating a matte painting for a certain movie, now we need to ask which quality he's shooting, whether it is a 2K or 4K or 8K content.
Okay.
So if he's shooting for SD, full HD, now we have to go with the 1920 by 1080, nothing but 1080p.
Okay.
Okay,
Full
and
HD.
second one,
Okay.
yeah, he is creating a 2K content, nothing but the camera he's using, it can deliver 2K or 4K, but he's shooting on 2K, you can go for 2K option here.
Okay, sir.
So like this, you can take the document for matte painting
Okay.
purpose.
So depending on what in which he's shooting, we take that
That's it.
particular thing.
That's it.
Okay.
Now I'll go with the web option. Why? Because now right now I'm not creating any project. Just simple. I'm explaining the tools and everything. For random one, I'll
Sure.
use this one. Whenever I go for any project, like example animation one, or else we can say brochure or UI designing, that I'll take the particular
Yes,
size
sir.
and define what way of taking. Okay, what size, what standard sizes are we are having. Okay, how we'll take
Yeah.
the size. Okay. Now coming back to this now web category, I'm taking this size. Let's say create on this one now. Now before creating this one, we have a properties over here now.
Yes, sir.
What are these properties for the web? Most common size 1366 is the width, 768 is the height here,
Yeah.
and these values have been measured in unit, that is units, that is called pixels.
Pixels.
Okay,
Okay.
if you want, you can change to inches also. Immediately it will convert the value into inches.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, centimeters also. But as if we are working for screen, 99.9% it should be pixels only.
Okay.
Okay. Now second one,
Yes, sir.
after defining the value, we have orientation here. Orientation is what? Portrait and landscape mode.
Landscape. Yeah, okay.
So landscape is what? Wide, and portrait is what? Vertical we can say. Horizontal and
Vertical.
vertical we can say.
And vertical. Yeah.
Now this is what vertical. If you go with this one, what happened? The value got swiped.
So that's the default value for portrait.
Yes. No, not default.
Okay.
We can say whatever document we have taken, based on that value, it will
Okay,
swipe,
so-
swipe the value. That's it. Now see,
Oh, okay,
width
sir.
came to the
Makes
height
sense.
and height gone to the width now in the portrait mode.
Okay.
Okay. Next one, artboard means we can enable and disable this option based on our requirement. Most of the time, okay, if we want any PNG document in the sense we don't want any the background for that one, it should be transparent.
Okay.
That time we remove this, what's it, artboard option. Why? Because even if you save this as a transparent background also, it will give you white color background.
Okay,
So
okay,
for
sir.
that reason, whenever you are creating any PNG file in the sense transparent background file,
Okay.
it should be off first. But how we by mistake if we did not off this one initially,
Yeah.
how to remove it later I'll show you.
Okay.
Now coming back to the next one, that is resolution. Resolution nothing but represent your quality. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Quality, how much better quality you want, you can increase the resolution value. But for standard screen, for a screen it is standard 72 for a screen here.
Okay.
Similarly, for printing it is standard recommended is 300. We
300,
don't have to
okay.
worry. We don't have to worry. Why? Because when you go to the print, automatically that value will change to 300. Whenever you come to the screen, automatically that value will be defined in 72.
70, okay.
Okay, we don't have to worry about this one. So what to give now? Sometime we may forgot how much we have to give. No need to do that one. Why? Because already it is defined already.
Okay,
For
sir.
understanding
Makes sense.
purpose, we are learning this one. Why this 72 is given for a normal quality. We can say. If we want high quality, we can increase and we can have good quality output. We can say.
Okay. Okay,
Now
sir.
coming back to the measurements now. Color mode, that is
Color.
RGB. Only RGB for web.
Okay.
But if I'm going to the printer, okay, or else videos and films, we get 5 options here. See,
Okay.
even if I go to the films also, it has the same 5 options. Why? Sometime documentary created in black and white or grayscale mode. What is it?
Right. Yes.
Documentaries are created in black and white. Why? Because they cannot spend huge amount on photo shoot and output of a documentary, we can say.
Yeah.
So for that reason, most of the time they use a grayscale mode.
Okay.
Okay, and CMYK is used for printing. RGB is used for screen.
Okay, sir.
RGB is nothing but red, green, and blue. Okay, CMYK
Yeah.
is nothing but cyan, magenta, yellow, and black.
Black. Okay.
Okay, 4 color combination, 3 color combination.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one point you have to remember: 4 colors. Why? Because the printers are coming with the 4 colors. That's the reason we have to take CMYK. Okay, now
Okay.
for screen, picture tube has the 3 filaments: red, green, and blue.
Hmm.
So that's the reason we use RGB for this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Finally,
Yeah.
background. Now, what kind of background you want? Do you want white color, background color, or black, transparent, and custom?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
in the custom, in the sense, it will allow you to choose the color initially here. Now,
Oh, okay, sir.
I'll cancel this. Now, instead of this one, I can go with the white, black, or transparent background. Transparent in the sense, no background at all.
Okay.
Okay. But again, if you are
Okay.
taking artboard, if you are taking the artboard option, 100% you will get background. Even if it is transparent, you will get the white color background in this one. Okay? Whenever you are saving this file as a PNG.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll go with the
Okay,
white
sir.
color background only. White color background and say create now. So we can see right now.
Okay.
Okay. So like this we can
Okay.
use this. Okay. I'll close this one. Why? Because I don't want to take the video one. New again.
Okay.
I'll go with the web. 1366 and create it. So you can see right now. This is my
Okay, sir.
artboard, we can say.
Hmm.
Okay. Now here it is showing the name also, artboard here. Artboard 1.
Yeah.
You can have multiple artboards in single page. Okay. In a single page
Okay,
you can
sir.
have multiple artboards also. Okay. Now example, what is this? Nothing but background for a artboard, and this is what artboard with the white color now. Okay. Now
Yeah.
example, I have taken the new document. I want to save this document now. How to save it? File option and say save now. But right now save option is not active
Yeah.
because we have taken the new document, but we have not created anything in this one.
Yes. There's no content in there.
Yes, unless and until you have certain things presented in this one, then only it will ask you to save it. But even
Okay.
though save option is not available, you can use save as also.
Okay, sir.
But let's try the save option only. But before this one, let's see what save as is showing now. Here, you can see now. Only 4 options.
Okay. Yeah.
Photoshop, large document, PDF, and TIFF. Now
Yes.
I'll cancel this one. Now example, I'll do something in this one. So what I'll do, I'll take the new layer. Now I'm applying the color in this one. Alt backspace. Now I want to
Okay.
save this document. As if I have done something, so automatically you'll come to know that is file save option is active for.
Yeah.
Click this again. You'll see the same option here. Now see, any change?
No.
It is same only.
Just-
So
Yes,
instead
sir.
of save, we can use save as. But save as is used for making a duplicate copy, saving with a
Okay.
different name, or saving with the other format. We can say.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right
Yeah.
now,
Understood.
save as, instead of save as, we use save a copy for output purpose. Output in the sense JPG, PNG. If we want
Oh,
any
okay.
image, we go with the save a copy.
Okay.
Now I'll name this as first page. Now this is what first page we are having. We'll take the first page and document name. What is it? Format as PSD. PSD in the sense Photoshop document.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay,
second
sir.
one, let's click save here. Now don't click on this one. Just click save here. Now, that's it.
Okay.
What happen? You get one compatibility option. Just click OK to this one. So it will be saved.
Okay.
What happen? You can see the name first page dot PSD. Now if you minimize
Yeah.
this Photoshop, you can see the file over here also.
Okay. Okay,
So
sir.
this is how the first file, PSD file will be saved. Now this icon represent what? PSD document.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you are having any JPG image, it will be showing JPG over here. Now, but right now we have to place the cursor and we have to see whether it is JPG
Okay.
image or any other image. You can see right now it is JPG.
JPG. Yeah.
Now this is what web image. Okay, web
Okay,
image.
sir.
Again, web image
Yeah.
cannot be opened in Photoshop. So we have to be
Okay.
careful whenever you are downloading. You should download JPG. But unfortunately,
Okay.
for the image, you don't have any what is the JPG option. You can save it as a
Yeah.
web image. But how to convert this one into JPG, I'll show you later on.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Now coming back to the next part now, that is we have saved the file and we have seen the file also how it will look like. If I am
Yeah.
saving an output file in the sense JPG file, how to save it? File in place of save as means if you are using the older version, save as is the option.
Yeah.
But if you are using the latest version, that is 22, you have to click
Save a
the
copy.
save a copy on this one. Okay. Now
Okay.
here we have to choose the format. What format we want? JPG.
Yeah.
Okay, select this JPG format. First page again. Now it is showing the copy. If you want, you can keep the copy. Otherwise,
Yeah.
directly go and you can save this one. Now. See, on the
Save,
desktop, I'm
okay.
saving it right now. Let's say save. Yes to okay for this one.
Okay, sir.
What happened? We have saved the document here now. Okay. But instead of saving an PSD file, we have saved the output
PSD, we
file.
got it as.
Yeah,
Okay.
we got
Okay,
the copy.
makes
also.
sense.
Now when you place the cursor, it will show you the JPG option. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how we can save the files here now. File option. So one is save option, save as option, and save a copy also.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear this point? 3 points.
Yes,
And
sir.
file new option already we have seen. Okay. Now what I am doing now, I am closing the document now. Closing in the sense, this document I don't want. Otherwise my work is completed. I am leaving to the leaving back home. So before
Yeah.
that one, I want to shut down my system.
Okay.
So what to do? Simple option. Go to the file and say close all here now. So simply if you are having multiple files, close all. Everything
Okay.
got closed. What we
Okay,
want?
sir.
My first day work is completed. I have gone to the second day. I want to continue the same work.
Yeah.
Okay. So what for this one? What we have to do? Go to the file.
Okay.
Okay. So file option open. Otherwise you can open the from here also. Otherwise you can open from here also. This is what recent documents.
Okay.
Sometime maybe somebody has deleted this recent files. Clear recent file list.
Yeah.
What happened? That
Yeah.
is, the file is no more available here. But how
Okay.
to access it? Using open,
Open.
or else file
Yeah.
open. Now
Okay,
go to
sir.
the desktop. Right now it is not showing anything. Just change this one 3D Studio to all
Yeah.
files here, all formats. You can see this one.
Okay.
Now select this first page.
Oh, okay.
First page and open. I want to open this JPG image also. This one and this one. Three files I want to open now. See,
Okay.
it will open all the 3 files. Now this is first file and this is second file and this is what third file you can see.
Good. Okay.
So what is this option? Open.
Open.
Where it is in the open option. Open recent in the sense if it is available in the recent document, then only you can open. Right now it is not available. Why? Because I have cleared that list.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
how many it is showing now?
3.
1, 0, 1 and 2. Now what I am
2,
doing, I am
yeah.
closing this one now. Again we have used the close option. Now once you click the close option, it will close the current file.
Oh, okay. The other 2 will be remaining.
Yes. Okay, but
Okay.
in the latest version, in 22 version, we have an advantage here. What is the advantage? Right now we are having multiple files. Okay, now I
Yeah.
want to keep this file. I want to close all other files.
Okay.
File option, and here is the option called close others.
Oh, okay. Okay. Understood.
Except-
So this will
except-
keep this,
yes.
but the other files will be closed.
Yes.
Okay.
Now one option is
Okay.
there where it will close the current file. It will keep as it is the other file. But in this one, opposite it is. It will
Yes,
keep
sir,
the
yes,
current
sir.
file. It will close all other files. Now see what happened. All the
Okay.
files are gone now.
Understood, sir.
right? Similarly, we can use this option for closing this one. Close all, and close other things. Now,
Okay.
recent document, I'm clearing it now. Okay. When you don't have recent option, we have to use this option only. Either open or, okay. So, sorry, open
Okay.
and open. So, what is it? Open option. Normal open and open recent.
Open.
Open.
For open recent, yeah.
So this is what close all, and close others. Save as, save a copy, and one more option will complete, and then we'll close this one. So that is your place embed.
Okay.
Means what we can do, we can put some images or something on the existing canvas.
Yeah.
Right now this is my open file. I'm closing this one. I'll keep the other file open now. File open.
Yeah.
Okay, and let me select this first page and say open now. Okay. Now I want to keep some files on this one. What to do? File option, place embed, select one image and say place on this one. See? Did what?
Okay. Yes, sir.
We have placed one image in this one now. Like this, you can place a number of images, but your
Okay.
space should occupy all these things. Okay.
Okay.
So now this second one now. What is the second one? File open again. I'm placing this other image. Place it. Select the other image and say place on this one. Now see.
Okay.
Whenever you place anything, it will ask you accept or reject now. If I say
Okay.
reject now, reject in the sense it will not place the image in this one. See, it is
Okay.
blocked. File option,
Okay.
place embed. Let me select the other file rather than this one. Select this one and say open now. You can expand it. Alt and drag to expand the size of this one from one corner.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Expand it. Now move it right side and place it. Now what we want to bring this image on the above now. Otherwise we can hide this one and we can go and we can access this one now. See.
Okay.
Okay, everything is enabled. Okay, on this one. Now we can see this option now.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can place the pictures like this. This is what place embed option.
Okay.
Later on I'll explain what is the advantage of this one. When we come to the layer panel, then I'll explain what is the smart object, how to create this one.
Sure. Sir.
Okay. Till now it is clear?
Yeah. 100%.
So we'll stop the class here. Why? Because we have completed only first block of this piece, first one, that is file option we have done. Okay.
Okay.
One or two options are there. Later I'll explain that one, how to use it. Like what is it? JPG image, GIF image, okay, PNG image, video
Sure.
option. Okay, how to take this all
Okay,
files
sir.
as an export, that I'll show you in the coming up classes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay.
So from tomorrow onwards, 9 p.m. sharp, we have to join.
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Right.
So I'll just do the same link which you sent me right now.
Yeah, my link which I have shared you right now,
Yeah.
that is the
Yeah.
only link you have to join for all the classes.
Okay, sir.
Because
Sure.
I have created all the links to to all the students separately. Now I'm maintaining separate links
Okay.
for all the students. See here, this is your link
Okay.
now. That's the reason I've named it also.
Okay, sir. Sure.
So now we can go to this meetings. Now I'm having this many classes in the data. Yes, sir. Right
Okay,
now
sir.
your class is going on. Right now this class will start at 5 a.m. on the morning 5 a.m.
Okay.
Now this will be the last class. This one will be the last class.
Okay.
That is 10 to 11.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Right. So tomorrow we'll join at 9 p.m.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Good night.